working on a 2016 Ford Escape SE Ecoboost. Changing out the purge valve. Here's the part number. Here's the purge valve. This is the purge valve right here. Usually they sell the purge valve by itself, but this model I think is a little bit different. This is a plastic tube. So I'll show you. So here is the connector for the purge valve, and one of them go to the motor body. One of them go to the intake tube, and one of them go to the intercooler tube. Here, you can see the green clip right there, the one I'm moving. And there's the one there with the green clip right there that's moving. So to remove the hose, you're gonna press on it, press on the bottom, pull. Same thing, the bag is kind of hard. I'm gonna try. You wanna press on it? Oh, it's kind of hard. This one on the throttle body, I'm using the needle nose. There you go. The old one I got out. So some of them has the another green clip to it. So if you can get your hand behind it, you see this two little hook right here. Kind of open it up. Hard to do one. Open it up. Press it out like that. So when this is out, it's easier for you to press this down to unlock the tube. Or if you can't get your finger in there, little flathead like this, shove it in there, pry it out like that. But the new one is a little bit different. See how it's different? You're gonna press on this to unlock the tube. Press on the two clips on the side, and it should unlock. So I got the new one in. The one in the back is in. This one on the intake air tube. Click. One on the throttle body. Click. And I got the one on the bottom one also in, I believe. Reconnect your purge valve connector and put the air box back. So I'm gonna show you the code now. Here is the code before. This was the only code before. When my coworker checked it, he told me this was the only one. But this morning, these two codes popped up. So right now, I'm not worrying about that right now. I'm gonna clear the code for the purge valve, and if it comes back, then we'll go from there. Okay, that's it.